our esteemed student at University of Dubai. Thank you very much for being here today. As you are aware, the systems surrounding us is actually filled with this disruptive technology that opened the floor for the threats and the attacks from a lot of several layers and surfaces. Our job here is actually to protect these systems from any possible and forecasting the attacks and the future attacks. As a part of the initiative, our CSAR Center is actually to create this workshop, which is about the art of digital intrusion, and try to learn more how we can actually protect our system from any future attack.
RedTeam Hacker Academy is so excited to host this practical cybersecurity workshop in collaboration with the CSAR University of Dubai. Through the workshop, The Art of Digital Intrusion, the Advanced Cybersecurity Tactics, we are trying to explore more into the tactics, techniques, and procedures from the adversaries. Through this workshop, we are trying to deliver the key insights into the students that will help them a lot to get the real insights of the offensive security practices. Looking forward to see you all at 5th of February at University of Dubai.
Hosted at our University of Dubai, we are committed to provide an environment that supports technology, innovation, and collaboration in the realm of the cybersecurity.